Hi, boys and girls. For our activity today, we are going to make a pretty train picture. So you're first going to start with a piece of blank paper just like this. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to grab a black marker. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw two lines across the bottom. And I'll show you what I'm doing here. All right, so we're going to draw two lines across the bottom and we're going to make a train track, okay? So we've got one line and two lines. All right, so you should make lines just like this on the bottom of your paper. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to draw lines across. See how I did that? We're going to draw lines across to make a train track. All right, so go ahead and draw some lines across those two lines that we made to make a train track. All right, so your train track should look like this when it's all done. See how that looks like a train track? All right, so the next step then is to get out your glue. And you should have gotten a little train that looks just like this in your packet today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some glue on the back of this and put it at the front of your train track, okay? All right, so your picture should look like this so far. All right, see how I did that? All right, and then the next thing that we're going to do is you'll need to pick two different colored pieces of paper, and we're gonna make cars that go behind our train, okay? So we're gonna cut these into smaller rectangles so that they will fit behind the train on your track, okay? So see, the first one I'm gonna do is about the same size as my train. All right, so I'm gonna do that one more time with a different color. All right, so you should have two rectangles that we're gonna glue onto our train track here. And don't worry if they're not the same height, because sometimes trains carry all sorts of different cars behind them. They're not always the same. So we're gonna glue down those two cars right behind the engine. All right, so your picture should look like this with the two colors that you chose. All right, so our next step then, you can either get a new piece of paper or you can use the scraps from your other paper, and we're gonna cut out wheels. So we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wheels, okay? So if you wanna mix them up, you can do a lot of different colors, or you can do all the same colors, whichever you want. But we're gonna need 7 wheels. So for your wheels, you're just gonna cut out circles, just like this. And you're gonna need 7 of them. All right, so once we have those cut out, we can go ahead and glue them onto our cars. I'll go ahead and show you what mine looks like. We'll have to glue all these on. So that our train cars can move. Otherwise, they wouldn't go anywhere. All right, so your picture should look like this when you're done drawing, or excuse me, putting on your different circles here. See that? All right, and then the next thing, you're gonna need your black marker again. And what we're going to do is we're gonna draw smoke from the spoke right here. We're gonna draw some smoke, and I'll show you how to do that. We're gonna make like cloud-like motions. All right, so your finished picture should look just like this. Well, maybe with different colors. See how I did that? And remember, a train is another type of a vehicle. It helps you go somewhere. Awesome working, boys and girls. You did so great with that functional activity and all the other activities today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.